Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, you can learn how to add icon in our website design. Here you can see I have index.html file, and in this file I have basic HTML code. So first you go to web browser, and here you can search font awesome Syrian. After this, you can see step setup web font with Syrian. Click on this and scroll down the web page, and where you can see a single line of code. Copy this one and paste in the head tag of index.html file. After this, remove the integrity and cross region section like this. And now I want to add a Facebook icon on my website. So I can write i.fab.fa Facebook f. Open the index file on my web browser. So you can see a Facebook icon shown here on my website design. Go back to a editor, and if you want to apply another icon but you don't know the exact class of that icon, go back to the website, set of web font with CDN, and scroll up, and in the search bar you can search different icon name. I want to apply an Instagram icon, so I can search Instagram. You can see I have different Instagram icon here. You can select anyone from these icon. I select first one. After selecting this, you can see here we have a HTML code. Copy this one, click on this code, and this code automatically copied, and paste in the body here. Save this file and open this file on a web page. So you can see our Instagram icon show on our website. Like this, you can insert different icon on website. I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.